So we were just moving down the stream, getting into positions, and this little feeder creek, Pancho spotted a nice big brown, probably 14 to 15 inches. And the winds are cooperating right now, and hopefully I can lay the cast out far enough ahead. There's a smaller trout at the bottom, but what we're hoping is I can get to the other fish without the little fish getting the fly, and I don't touch the weeds on the side, so it's... See how this goes. Got him. All right. Good eye there, Pancho. Oh, he's coming down river. He's right here, Pancho. Beautiful little brown. And look how big this creek is. It's so small. Right, first fish of the day.
The trout in the rivers have a wide variety of food sources. Of course, they will jump on any bait fish that makes the mistake of swimming by. But for fly fishers, it's the topwater food sources that are of the highest interest. Grasshoppers are abundant and a delectable food source for the brown and rainbow trout. The daily high winds blow enough hoppers into the rivers and streams to ensure the trout have lots of opportunities to feed on these terrestrials. Most unique to this region, and an absolute favorite of the trout, are the stag beetles. These massive insects cause explosive surface attacks when they fall into the water.
Whew. I'll bring him to you right here. All right. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, look at that, beautiful.